Awesome Home Garden Landscaping Ideas 2024. Welcome to our channel where creativity meets nature. Get ready to be inspired by the latest and greatest home garden landscaping ideas of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, our videos will guide you through stunning design concepts that will transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking oasis. 1. Discover the top trends. From sustainable gardening practices to innovative use of materials, we'll showcase the hottest trends that are shaping the gardening scene this year. Learn how to incorporate eco-friendly elements, drought-resistant plants, and unique hardscape features to create a garden that's both stylish and environmentally conscious. 2. Dive into diverse styles. Whether you prefer a modern and minimalistic look, a cozy cottage vibe, or a vibrant tropical paradise, we've got you covered. Explore a wide range of landscaping styles and find the one that resonates with your personality and complements your home architecture seamlessly. 3. DIY projects and expert tips. Our videos aren't just about inspiration, we're all about actionable advice too. Join us as we break down step-by-step DIY projects that will have you crafting your own planters, building pergolas, and laying pathways like a pro. Our seasoned gardening experts will also share invaluable tips on plant care, soil enrichment, and maintenance to keep your garden flourishing all year round. 4. Seasonal delights. Each season brings new opportunities for your garden to shine. From spring blossoms to fall foliage, we'll guide you on selecting the perfect plants for every time of year. Create a garden that evolves with the seasons and provides an ever-changing backdrop for your outdoor adventures. 5. Showcasing real transformations. Witness the amazing before and after transformations of real home gardens. Our videos feature real people with real garden challenges, and we guide them through the process of turning their outdoor spaces into something truly extraordinary. Be prepared to be amazed. Subscribe now to embark on a journey of creativity, nature, and the joy of nurturing your own piece of the earth. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest landscaping ideas that will redefine your concept of a perfect home garden. Let's make 2024 the year your garden dreams come true.